Indian troops arrested two youth in the South Islamabad district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops during a cordon and search operation arrested the youth in Bijbihara area of the district. The troops, justifying the arrest, claim to have recovered one pistol from their possession. All party Hurriyat conference leaders have strongly reacted to the Indian Supreme Court's biased and one-sided verdict, validating the Narendra Modi government's illegal decision to abrogate the Article 370 that gives special status to the occupied Kashmir in the Indian Constitution. According to Kashmir Media Service, Jail APHC leader Bilal Siddiqui, in a statement from the Central Jail Srinagar, said the Indian judiciary has always acted as a tool to validate the India's occupation over Jammu and Kashmir. An Indian court rejected bail of two Kashmiri youth detained in a fake case under the draconian law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the bail applications of Mudassir Ahmed and Abdul Qayyum were rejected in Bandipora on flimsy grounds. All parties Hurriyat conference, expressing concern over the denial of the fundamental political rights to the Kashmiris, has deplored that India is engaged in ethnic cleansing in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, called for international intervention to stop the blatant violation of the international laws by New Delhi to silence the Kashmiris seeking the right to self-determination. An Indian Army captain committed suicide in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Army captain committed suicide by hanging himself to the ceiling of a room at the Indian Army's Sharifabad camp on the outskirts of the city, the Indian official said. Special Judge National Investigation Agency Jatinder Singh rejected the bail application of the Deputy Superintendent Davinder Singh in a case filed against him under the Black Law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the Public Safety Act filed against the Kashmiri journalist Asif Sultan. The court, quashing the detention order of Asif Sultan, directed the authorities to release him unless he is required in any other case. People's Democratic Party has announced to suspend all its political activities for a week in protest against the Indian Supreme Court's verdict and in solidarity with the people of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, PDP chief spokesperson Syed Suhail Bukhari made the announcement in a statement issued in Srinagar.